Polish proverb. Number 8.
Lepszy wróbel w garści niż kanarek na dachu.
Literal translation: It's better to have a sparrow in one's hand than a canary on the roof. English equivalent: a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush.
Please repeat after me. Powtarzaj za mną. Lepszy. Please repeat after. Lepszy wróbel. Lepszy wróbel w garści. Lepszy wróbel w garści niż lepszy wróbel w garści niż kanarek. Lepszy wróbel w garści niż kanarek na dachu.
It's great to have big dreams, but one should also be realistic. One of the most famous Polish proverbs reminds us that sometimes it's better to settle for something achievable than to keep dreaming about something out of reach.
That's all for today. See you later. Poland, you stay classy.